Today we are focusing on one of the most versatile and commonly used widgets in Flutter, the Appbar. Whether you're building a simple app or a complex one, the Appbar is essential for delivering a seamless user experience. Let's dive in. What is Appbar? A Appbar widget is a material design appbar that typically appears at the top of the screen. It provides navigation and other quick actions like search, menus, and titles. Let's start with a simple Appbar implementation. On my screen here, I have my void main method and my run app method, which takes my app, which is a stateless widget as its parameter. My app returns a material app, and on the home, I have my scaffold. So on this scaffold now, if you hover on the scaffold, you get to see the things you can add to your scaffold, and one of those things you can add to your scaffold is the Appbar. So I'm going to come here and then I'm going to add this Appbar. I'm going to pass the Appbar widget. So because I'm using constant, that's why I'm getting this error. So I'm going to remove the const keyword, and then I'm going to come back here. So when you over on the Appbar, you get to see the things you can do with your Appbar, like the first one, which is the leading, and that one is automatically imply leading. Then title, action, flexible space, bottom, elevation, and all. So we're going to be looking at some of these features. So the first one we're going to talk about is the title. So most of our mobile apps, you normally have a title for your mobile app which you want to show at the top of your mobile app. So to do that, you just add title, and this title takes a widget, and I'm going to be using the text widget, and I'm going to just write digital bar. I'm going to add constant keyword here and save it. So I have the digital bar, my title, showing at the left top corner of my mobile app screen. So to center this, all you need to do is to come here and say center title, and this takes a boolean. So I'm going to turn this to true and save it. Then here I have my digital bar at the center of the top of my screen. Another thing we can do is that we can add a background color to our Appbar. And to do that, you simply add background color. Then I'm going to use colors dot blue and save this. And here we can see our background color. So this this example creates a simple Appbar. So this is a simple Appbar with a title and a background color. The Appbar, just like I said, is part of the scaffold widget. So let's add more features to this our Appbar. So another thing we can add to our Appbar is the action. Action is basically a list of widgets that we can add to the top right corner of our mobile app screen. So to do that, you just have to come here and add action. This is going to take list of widgets. So a list of widgets that you want to display at the top right corner of your mobile app screen. So I'm going to be using icon button, which is going to take unpressed and icon. So just simply going to have this here for now, and then my icon, I'm going to use icon and icons dot search icons here. So because this my action is going to take list of widgets, I'm just going to copy this. Let me add comma here to format it. I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it here as changes from search to settings. And when this is clicked, I want it to print setting pressed and semicolon, and copy this and paste it also, and now search pressed. Let's save this. So we can see that we have our action here. The first one here is the search icon, and then we have our setting icon. Another thing we can add is that we can add leading to our Appbar. So leading is basically the first widget you get to see on your top left corner. So to add leading, you just have to come here and say leading, and this also takes you a widget. So most of the time when you want to add a drawer to your mobile app, we normally use the leading. I'm going to I have a separate tutorial on drawer widgets. You can check that out. You can check that out to understand how the drawer widget works. But for now, I'm just going to use an icon button also. I'm going to just say, and I'm going to use icon and icons dot. Let's use more, and let's say this, and okay, you can see my icon here. Let me use menu. Say this. Yeah, you can see my icon here. So that's how the leading works. So let's customize our Appbar further. So one of the things we can do to the Appbar is that we can add a toolbar height. So if I'm not okay with the height of my Appbar, I can come here and then I can say toolbar height, and then I can give it, let me give it 80 pixels and save this. So you can see that the height of my Appbar have increased. So another thing we can do also is that we can add a button to our Appbar here. Basically, you use it to display tabs or other secondary action. And to do that, you can simply come here and say button. Then I'm going to be using preferred size widget. So I'm going to be giving size dot from height going to be 50 pixel, and my child widget is going to be going to use container, and I'm going to give it colors dot blue gray, and let me format this, and then this my container. I'm going to give it a child. So I'm going to come here and say child, and I'm going to use test widget, and just going to display bottom section, and let's style it. Let's give it style, test style, color white, colors dot white, and font size of 16 pixel. Constant here to remove the blue line, and save this. So you can see we have bottom added to our Appbar, and that's how you can add bottom section to your Appbar. So you can use this area for tabs or other widgets you want to add to your Appbar. So basically, the Appbar, just like I said, is a versatile and powerful tool in Flutter. Whether you're building a simple or advanced app, it can adapt to your need. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.